Welcome to STLP. We're so excited to have you here at Open House at Mazik Middle School today. Well, I'm Prisha, and you might be wondering, what really is STLP? Well, I have good news for you. STLP is a Student Technology Leadership Program. Here we can use our innovation skills, creativity, technology, public speaking, and so much more to create what we like to call our masterpieces. Sometimes we win pretty cool prizes for it too. Well, let's get on a deeper note. WMZK, our Mazik News, where we get to share information through public speaking, a camera, and a mic. We also have Mazik websites where we're allowed to provide resources to students across the school, and so much more. Maybe one day you'll be a member of the Mazik STLP team too.